Sejal. So today's video is an outfit from scratch video. Again, doing an old format that I haven't done in a really long time. A lot of you guys requested me to make this video, so we are going to do it today. For those of you who don't know, this is a series that I started a few years ago in which I try to create a piece of clothing, a dress, top, or even my failed Diwali outfit from scratch. I think of the design, look for inspiration, buy the fabric, go to a tailor, get it made, do some sort of DIY to make it happen. A lot of times they're failures, but a lot of times they have turned out good as well. So we're going to try our best. I have rediscovered fashion during the lockdown and with the cool reels that I've been making, and I think I've really upped my fashion game. And I'm always on Pinterest these days looking at cool fashion inspiration. So for this outfit from scratch, I had an idea. I've been looking for this one style of top to buy for a very long time and मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा है. This style is very popular and I've been seeing it everywhere on Pinterest. I love wearing these small, I don't know what they're called. I read somewhere that they're called napkin tops with really wide, loose pants, and I think it looks really hot and sexy. They're completely backless and I'm super excited to get this top made. Now for the design, I'm pretty sure that I want it to be something like this. Something that has a cowl neck or a cowl neck or whatever that's called. It's loose from the front, really thin straps, and it goes at the back and crisscrosses and then ties niche. So I have it pretty clear in my head. And in terms of the material, I want it to be very similar to this pink dress that I have, and that material is, so this material, it's very soft and easy to wear. I don't know what this is it satin or something? So wherever I get it made from, I guess I'll take this dress as a reference, because even the front of this dress is kind of like that. The straps are exactly how I want it to be. The only thing is I just want this to be a top and not the dress. It's a little bit difficult to find the right tailor to do this because mostly सब लोग Indian या फिर like sari blouses वगैरह ही बनाते हैं. Hope this experiment turns out good. Okay, so I have been researching for a bit like what boutiques there are now, because the last time मैं boutique गई थी वो एक साल पहले था. So after researching a bit, I found this thing called Darzi on Call online. So they can come. It says that they provide doorstep services for your stitching needs and they send our fashion designers to your home or office. They will help you with choosing a design, taking measurements and collecting fabric from you. So, okay, this is really cool. If this can happen at home, honestly, nothing like it. मुझे बाहर जाने का कोई शौक नहीं है. So इन्हें call करके पूछते हैं.
Welcome to Thursday on Call.
I have a design in mind, but I don't have the fabric.
Provide a trial, so you could try out the garment. And how early are you looking for, ma'am?
3-4 days I was looking at. I spoke to these people and I booked an appointment for day after tomorrow, so they'll come to my house, take my measurements and everything, and they asked me to WhatsApp the reference photos to them. So I'm doing that, but they told me that this will take 10 days to make, but I told them ki no, please can you make it early? So they said okay, fine. And they said it will cost 2,000 rupees like for starters to make a top. So I don't know, I think that's really expensive, but I've done really stupid things on this series before as well. I think this is really cool because I don't have to go anywhere, and 2020 has just made me lazy. I hate going to markets now.
Yeah, ma'am. So, ma'am, a designer is on its way, ma'am.
That's fine. Okay. Thank you. So today is my appointment with Darzi on Call. So it's all good. I'm actually really happy that they're coming to my house. But oh my god, they have called me like 5 times to confirm, reconfirm the timing, terms and conditions. So hi guys, I'm with Kumar Sandeep. So he's here and we're just going to figure out the little top idea I had in mind. So I'll just show you my inspiration.
It's a handkerchief top, right?
Yeah. So you know this style of neck.
This can be done, that is not a problem. Satin fabric swatches, which I'm going to show it to you. Have a look, feel it, and then we can go ahead through the process.
Okay.
Different, even if you want to change the color also, we've got ample of like different colors. And I think this has a little bit of a stretch also. This is a style which we call it a cowl style. It's a cowl cut. The body fit has to be there in it. The only what is required is the shape. The shape of the neckline is a cowl neck. So you will get the shape. You can see at the waist, it is completely fitted at the waist.
But I still want halka sa loose.
Halka sa loose.
Breathing space, ki comfortable.
So that will be adjustable through the dory itself.
Oh yeah, of course.
This is going to be without the pads.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
It
it will
doesn't-
become very, very, very
bulky.
bulky.
It's
So
that fabric.
that's satin.
Satin one, yeah.
And the color which we have selected is a pinkish tone is there, a tinge of tone of the pink color.
The final cost came up to 3,500 rupees plus some taxes and stuff. So total 1k it came to 4088 and I had to pay in advance. And they said it'll get delivered between 10 to 12 days. But the person who came, Sandeep, he said he'll try to make it faster in a week. He was really nice. So this is not a sponsored video, by the way. So the whole concept and all seemed really cool. I just think it's a little expensive. And it's for luxury tailoring, like they said. So अब देखते हैं बन के कैसा आता है finally. So I finally got the package. Today's date is the 12th and the designer had come to my house on the 13th. So like he said, it took 9 days only. So now I'm gonna have a bath and open this, try this on and see if it is any good. Alright, this outfit from scratch has been so easy for me, just ordering online at home. Honestly, pandemic की वजह से ना मैं बहुत बिगड़ गई हूँ. मुझे घर से बाहर निकलना for even the smallest thing बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता. I'm really enjoying just like chilling at home. Although I am traveling soon, I'm going to go visit my brother very soon, literally day after tomorrow. He has something going on for which I need to go see him, and then I'm gonna be in the US for a while. Okay, काफी छोटा है. Like I'm really excited to see what it is, but the only thing that's been pinching me a lot is that it's cost so much money. But hey, this is all about experimenting. So, oh, okay, it's like really chota as I expected. Obviously, the shiny part is outside, and then it's like lined really well with the muslin cloth, like the designer said. The quality of the straps is also really good. Obviously, like this whole Darzi on call thing, this is really luxury designer thing, so the quality I wasn't really worried about. There are 2 holes here, so I'm gonna string it through. Yeah guys, this is not padded. You guys keep asking me how I wear like all these strappy crazy tops that I wear. I don't wear a bra, I just wear like those nipple covers things, so people, you know, so that your nipple is covered. Honestly, that too is such a pain because what the heck, nipples, everyone has nipples, even men have nipples. Recently I saw this video, someone put it up saying, oh Sejal, nip slip, and like, you know, those creepy videos people put. I put it on my Instagram because I was like, I'm not going to tolerate this kind of objectification on my account. No permission taken, nip slip करके उसका thumbnail बना दिया. तो क्या nip slip? If you're so excited to see a nipple, just look down. So annoying. And I don't think girls should do this to each other too, because we all have nipples. We have to put painful things like tape on our nipples so that people don't see them. Okay, enough. There it is. I'm gonna try it on and see how it feels. Well guys, so this is it. It is pretty sexy. I love it. I love these straps. So these straps are super adjustable. This top is exactly what I wanted. The way it's made, there's a lining over here on the bottom as well. The quality of the strings, it's super premium. It's really nicely done. No complaints at all. This kind of reminds me of the Kareena Kapoor top from K3G when she goes, it's backless. I absolutely love it. I'm going to wear this top to death. And even the color that I chose is something that's really versatile. It'll go with a bunch of things. The only thing is that it's super expensive. 4,000 rupees for this top. I mean, if I was buying it from somewhere else, like a store like Zara or like whatever, H&M, anywhere, I would think about paying 4,000 rupees for this definitely. And I know the comments are going to be filled with the same thing. Sejal, you spent so much money. I know guys, I know, okay? Thumbs up to Darzi on call. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this concept, enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. We have to get to 1.5 million subscribers. It's been a fucking age since we hit 1 million. So let's get there. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. I've been also posting a lot of reels and fun, different content on Instagram. Working really hard on maintaining my Instagram content every day, and also YouTube. बहुत मेहनत हो रही है. So please follow and support me there as well. And as always, I will see you soon. Bye.